Do one of these spaces look like yours when you're using your wide format printer? I hope not, but it can be. I want to teach you how to take control of your wide format printer. If you're struggling with color prints, if some of your colors are way off, if colors don't match between Adobe products and Flexi and other products like that, I want to show you how you can gain control of your printer again. On February 15th to 19th, 2021 at 2 p.m. Central Time, for just $50, I'm doing a 5-day webinar. And hey, don't worry if you can't make it those days or that time. It's okay. If you register, you're going to get the replay recordings anyway. It's totally worth your while. Let me show you why. Day one, we're going to talk about calibration, characterization, and conversions, the 3 C's of color management. We'll see how those are involved and how they influence the type of printer you have, the ink, the media, the profiles. We'll talk about maintenance. After this day, you'll have a better understanding of the 3 C's and how they can help you get better prints. On day two, we talk about monitors, software, and profiles specifically. I'm going to show you how to set up a good monitor profile and how to make it work so you can do those soft proofs. I'm going to show you what kind of test images you need. And then we're going to talk about how to match your software. If you're using Flexi, Photoshop, Illustrator, VersaWorks, Production Manager, Onyx, we'll show you how we can match the color from one software to another. And then I'm going to talk about ICC profiles. How do you know if they're good? And if you're using one and it's almost right, but not quite, how do you fix it? I'll show you how. Day three gets even better. I'm going to show you how to work with files. What's the difference between vector and raster images in terms of color printing? RGB, CMYK, Pantone, spot colors. What is the big deal there? How do you fix those things? How do you make it? Which one should I be using? And then we're going to talk about those nasty gradients and grays that aren't coming out right. You know what I'm talking about, the pinkish color, the color cast, the greenish gray. Okay, we'll fix that. And then we're going to create better, more reliable color swatches. We'll show you how to make those in FlexiSign. It'll apply to any software. But we're going to show you how to make a good color swatch that you can use anytime you need it to get good prints. By the time we reach day four, we're on a roll. We're going to set up a color managed workflow. We're going to show you from beginning to end. How do you prepare your printer every single day? What's the best way to set up your software? We're going to use that test image we showed you in previous days. We're going to use the right profile and adjust it if needed. We're going to talk about working with customer images. Oh boy, there we go. And how to save files properly. We're going to teach you how to create your own checklist so that you can do color printing reliably and consistently. By the time we get to day 5, we call it application day. I'm going to show you 3 different kinds of jobs with 3 different kinds of inks and 3 different kinds of printers. We're going to talk about print and cut with EcoSolvent prints. We're going to do an ADA Braille sign with UV LED inks. And we're going to do a t-shirt design and learn how to dye sublimate it. And there's different processes for each one of those, but they each need good color. Come to this webinar. I'm going to teach you how to do these things. Only thing is, you can't wait. You got to register today. These webinars are very popular. If you want a seat, you need to register today. Remember, if you can't make it, if you got work to do, it's not a problem. Everyone that registers gets a link to the recorded session so you can watch it anytime you want. Use the link below to register right now.